Welcome everyone to Vlogmas Day 8. So today I just woke up, got dressed, you know, did my morning routine, washed my face, brushed my teeth, all that jazz. And I'm going to do a little bit of work right now, and then later on I'm going to make some breakfast. Probably make a smoothie, and see what else. But most likely just make a smoothie. Alright, and might go for a walk today. So but right now I gotta go do some work, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So my outfit for day 8 of Vlogmas, I am wearing this pink workout jacket, and I'm wearing these pink, or I guess I don't know what color you call this, like a maroon grape colored. I'm wearing these leggings from a Nike outlet that I got from a while ago, and then my slippers are from Target. I really like them because they're like shoes, and they have like the nice cozy softness inside, so I like them. And yeah, so this is kind of my work from home outfit, and I like it because it has a little zip up here, and it just feels really soft and comfortable, so yeah.
Aw, Norman Lear. Rest in peace to him. I like Tyler Perry as well. This is typically my morning routine. I'll wake up, open the blinds, turn on the news, and just see what's going on in the world before I start work. So this is typically what I like to do to start my morning.
Looking at the news, it's looking like it's gonna be a nice day today. I kind of like watching the weather in the morning. What about you guys? Do you guys like to watch the Weather Channel or the news, or what's your thing you like to watch in the morning? Alright you guys, so I'm at my desk. I did some emails and handled a couple situations, so now I'm about to go make, you guys know what I'm gonna make, a smoothie. So let's go ahead and make it. Alright you guys, so you know what the smoothie is. Just pulled the spinach out the freezer, gonna put a banana in it, my mango, and oat milk. So let's get it all ready to go. Alright you guys, so looks like it is about done. I'm gonna taste it and see how it is, if I need to add anything or if it's good to go. It's good. I might add a little bit more oat milk because it's a little thick. So it tastes really good. I'm really glad I froze my spinach before it started to go bad. I think I'm gonna add some more oat milk because like thick, creamy. So just so I can drink it a little bit more, I'm gonna add just a pinch more oat milk. Just a little bit more, and we're gonna blend this up. Alrighty, so I added, you could tell where the oat milk is. Added a bit more just to kind of make it not so thick. There we are, my lovely green smoothie. And there we are guys, there is my lovely green smoothie today. Looks delicious. Bon appetit. luck. Now for the taste test. Yes. I'm glad I put more oat milk in it to just kind of give it, I don't know, it needed some more creaminess. It's really good. And what's even great is I have a little bit left over for later. I have seconds. What's up, you guys? So I wanted to sit down and kind of tell you what's been going on, because it's been kind of crazy since yesterday, and just update you. So you guys saw today I was working. I made my infamous green smoothie. It was so delicious. And then I went to go check on my car. I was telling you guys that I went to, you know, CVS, and I went to the grocery store to try and help my car, you know, try and get some stuff for my car. And it just, I tried it, and I was like, okay, let me give it a day. So I went down there, tried to check on it today, and it's still not working. So I'm very, you know, bummed. That's really the best word for it. And I'm trying to keep my spirits up and like still be happy and everything. But if I do seem a little different, you know, these next upcoming vlogs, just know that that's, you know, on the back of my mind, and it'll be okay. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. I'm definitely trying to think of ways that can uplift my spirits. I've been playing music, you know, this afternoon. I've been putting on my headphones, and that way I can just zone out and really just get into it. A couple things that I like to do when I get stressed definitely is going for walks. That's another thing that I would definitely be doing, going for walks. Anytime you do exercise, I just feel like that's a really good way to, you know, handle stress. You know, definitely writing it out, definitely talking to people. That definitely helps too, because, you know, you're not alone, you know, when stressful situations happen. And I think I just have to definitely remember that I'm not alone, that I have help. You know, there are people around me that want to help me. So I definitely have to keep that in mind, you know, because sometimes we get so caught up in, all right, I'm gonna figure it out, I'm gonna do it, I'll just fix it, me, you know. So I have to remember that, you know, people care. So yeah, just doing my music and my showers, my relaxing showers, going for my walks. I'm trying to think what else is a good way to help alleviate stress. Oh, you know what? I can't believe I forgot this. Dance. I love to put on music and dance. That definitely will put me in a good mood. If you are having a rough time right now, just put some music on and dance. It will definitely make you feel a little bit better, trust me. That will always do it. Especially if it's, you know, a jam, if it's a song I really love. Oh my goodness. It's just amazing. Oh, another tip that is good too. Some dessert, you know, a little treat. I like to always say treat yourself. You know, so I'll probably have some ice cream, you know, tonight to treat myself. Just to kind of lift my spirits up. So those are some tips and some tricks you can do to help, you know, lift your mood up if you're feeling a little down, or if you're going through something this holiday season. Know that there are, you know, other people that feel like you too, and that you're not alone, and that the holiday season is tough, and when life throws stuff at you, it's okay. You can handle it and you can manage it, and you're not alone. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys do when you're stressed out, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Well, I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
on this night.